Hi, CapCut has a new feature called Lock On. It takes really boring videos from this to this, and the best part, it's all done in under 30 seconds. Let me show you how. Go ahead and open up CapCut, tap on New Project, find the video, and tap on Add. Go ahead and tap on the video to highlight it, swipe across and find Lock On. Go ahead and tap on it, and CapCut provides you with the options to lock onto the face, body, or the hands. Most often than not, you're good locking onto the face. So go ahead and leave it on face and then tap on start. Give it a little time for CapCut to do its thing, and in no time, you were done. All you need to do now is to tap on the arrow above and export your video. Now you know how to create that effect using CapCut, but do you know how to add captions like these to your videos also using CapCut? If you want to learn how to do that, then watch this video right here where I show you step by step on how to do just that. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.